To draft the sleeve, let's refer to the formula here. Right here, number 6. Measure a finished front and back armhole, divide by 2, then subtract 4. Okay, so that's the formula to draft sleeve. I'm going to show you how to do that. We are going to measure this armhole. Click 1 to start, and then I'm going to press on shift here and then click 1 right here to the back armhole. So here we have the armhole length total 49.45. We're going to divide 49.45 by 2. So 49.45 divided by 2 equal 24.725. I'm going to round it up to 24.73. And after that, we are going to subtract by 4. And now it is 20.73. Alright, so both numbers are equally important. We will use this number first, so 20.73. So click over here, I'm going to type in 20.73, press on the tab key, and then the sleeve length here, 27. Then I'm going to click on OK. Alright, next we're going to create the internal line here. I will use the Edit Pattern tool, click on the top part, right click, and then select Offset as internal line. And we want to change this number offset to 1, and then offset number 1 here, we're going to type in 12. After that, we want to come over here and then uncheck the reverse direction box, and then click on OK. Next, I'm going to click on the center line right there, right click, and we want to select offset as internal line, and I'm going to change this value here to 18. After that, I'm going to click on OK. Next, we want to draw the sleeve shape. We will use this internal polygon shaft line tool. Click over here, and then click twice here to end. After that, we want to turn this to curve. We will use this Edit Curvature tool. Click right there, drag it up, and I'm going to use this Edit Pattern tool here to perfect this curve. Okay, so now we need the second value that we divided by 2. So for example, it is 24.73. So we're going to adjust it to meet that. So 24.73. There you go. So now I'm going to cut this and unfold to create a sleeve. We will use the Transform Pattern tool. Click 1 right here, right click, and select Cut. First of all, let's delete this part that we don't want. Click on it, press on the delete or backspace on the keyboard to delete, and let's unfold this just like that. And let's bring it over here a little, so make it a little bit prettier.